Ever wondered if younger women find you, an older guy, attractive, but just couldn't decode their signals? Today, we're going to clear up that mystery. We're diving into the subtle, often overlooked ways younger women show their interest in older men. It's all about reading between the lines, catching those fleeting glances, and understanding the hidden meaning behind her words. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to pick up on these signals with ease, understanding exactly what she's thinking without her having to say a word. If you're ready to unlock the secrets to attraction across the age gap, you're in the right place. Let's get started. 1. Unique compliments. When a younger woman starts noticing the finer details about you, that's when the compliments get interesting. These aren't your average run-of-the-mill praises. We're talking about the kind that shows she's been paying attention. Maybe she comments on the unique style of your vintage watch or the way your eyes light up when you talk about jazz music. This is her way of saying, I see you, and I like what I see. Now, there's a world of difference between a polite, nice shirt and I've noticed you wear a lot of blue. It really brings out your eyes. The former could just be small talk, while the latter, that's someone taking notice, someone interested in the details that make you, you. So how do you respond without missing a beat? Acknowledge the compliment, sure, but also use it as a springboard for further conversation. Thanks. Blue's my favorite color. Do you have a favorite? See, just like that, you're turning a simple moment of flattery into a genuine connection. Keep it light, keep it sincere, and watch the conversation unfold. 2. Extended eye contact. When you catch her holding your gaze just a tad longer than usual, that's not just happenstance. It's a signal, gentlemen. Prolonged eye contact is like the secret handshake in the world of attraction. Now, there's a fine line between a friendly look and that intriguing stare she saves just for you. When it's friendly, it's like sunshine, warm but casual. However, when it shifts into the flirtatious zone, it's more like a laser beam, focused, with a hint of sparkle just for you. Imagine you're at a cozy book club or a laid-back cafe. There she is, across the room, sharing stories or sipping her coffee. Every now and then, you catch her looking your way, holding that gaze just a little longer each time. That's not random. That's interest. It's in these everyday moments that the magic happens. She's not just looking, she's inviting you into a silent conversation. So next time, gentlemen, when those eyes lock with yours, remember it's more than just seeing. It's the silent language of attraction speaking volumes. 3. Laughter and playfulness. Laughter isn't just medicine. It's a language of love and comfort. When a younger woman shares her giggles with you, it's often a sign she's at ease in your presence. But when these laughs are accompanied by a touch of playfulness, that's when the signal gets clearer. She might tease you gently or share inside jokes, turning ordinary moments into playful exchanges. Imagine you're recounting a humorous mishap from your day, and she's not just chuckling along. She's adding her own witty commentary, playfully nudging your arm. This isn't just casual amusement. It's her way of saying, I'm comfortable with you. I enjoy your company. Now, how do you keep this playful ball rolling? Match her energy, but stay genuine. If she teases you about your old-school music taste, play along. Maybe challenge her to a friendly debate on classic versus modern hits. It's about striking that delightful balance between banter and respect. This back and forth isn't just fun. It's a dance of connection, showing her that her vivacity is met with warmth and humor on your end. Remember, the goal is to share a laugh, not to win a comedy contest. Keep it light, keep it respectful, and let the good times roll. I hope you're finding value in the video so far. If you are, would you mind showing some support? A simple like, a comment, or even a subscribe would mean a lot. Your input shapes our content, so please share your thoughts below. Thank you for being an integral part of our journey. 4. Seeking your advice or opinion. When a younger woman frequently seeks your advice or values your opinion, it's not just small talk. It's a sign of respect and admiration. She's not only acknowledging your wisdom and experience, but is also subtly showing that she values your perspective above others. This kind of interaction is a clear indicator of trust and interest. Notice the moments she comes to you, perhaps puzzled over a decision or seeking insight on a topic you're passionate about. It's more than curiosity. It's her way of saying, I respect your judgment. This is her inviting you into her world, valuing your input and experience. Now, how should you respond? Engage with her queries thoughtfully. Provide your insights, but also turn the table. Ask her thoughts, creating a two-way dialogue. This not only shows that you value her opinions in return, but also fosters deeper communication. Share stories or examples from your own life that relate to her questions, This not only helps her, but also subtly showcases your depth and relatability. Remember, it's about creating a mutual exchange, a shared space where ideas and respect flow freely. This engagement is not just conversation, it's connection. 5. Physical touch. Subtle physical contact can be a powerful indicator of interest. It's those incidental touches that can speak volumes. Perhaps she lightly taps your arm when laughing at a joke, or brushes against your hand while passing a menu. These gestures, seemingly minor, are often intentional signals of attraction, distinguishing them from the casual, nonchalant interactions. The types of touch that hint at a deeper interest tend to be deliberate yet gentle. It could be a prolonged handshake with that extra second of contact, or her removing a non-existent speck of lint from your jacket. These are the touches that linger just a moment longer, meant to be noticed. Now, respecting personal boundaries is paramount. If you feel the interest is mutual, reciprocate with equal subtlety. A gentle, brief touch on the back as you walk through a door, or a light touch on the arm during a laugh can convey your interest without overstepping. Always be mindful of her comfort and reactions. Consent and comfort should guide your actions. This dance of touch is a way to communicate mutual interest while maintaining respect for each other's personal space. 6. Sharing personal stories or secrets. When a younger woman starts sharing more personal stories or secrets with you, it's a sign she sees you not just as an acquaintance, but as someone special. This shift from surface-level chatter to deeper, more meaningful conversations indicates a level of trust and comfort that's essential in close relationships. She might recount memories that shaped her or reveal thoughts she hasn't shared with others. This is her way of opening up her world to you, showing vulnerability and trust. The significance of this trust cannot be overstated. It's a privilege she's choosing to give you, signifying that she values your presence and sees you as a confidant. It's about more than just attraction. It's a sign of respect and a deepening bond. To be a good listener and confidant, focus on being present and attentive. Encourage her to express herself freely, without fear of judgment. Respond with empathy and understanding, rather than immediate solutions or judgments. Show appreciation for her trust in you by keeping her confidences and offering thoughtful, supportive feedback when appropriate. By being a reliable and empathetic listener, you not only strengthen your connection, but also build a foundation of mutual respect and trust. Bonus tip: making an effort. Notice the effort she puts into looking good for you, or when she subtly mimics your body language. These actions might seem small, but they're significant. They show she's paying attention and wants to connect with you on a deeper level. When she takes the time to dress in a way she thinks you'll appreciate, or when her body language reflects yours during a conversation, she's not just being polite. She's aligning herself with your world, indicating interest and attraction that extends beyond casual interaction. Why is this significant? Because these efforts often fly under the radar. They demonstrate a level of care and attention that deserves recognition. She's not just being friendly. She's showing she values and respects you enough to go the extra mile. As an observant and respectful man, take notice of these subtle cues. Acknowledge her efforts, even in small ways, to show that you appreciate the gestures. This doesn't just apply to her appearance, but also to how she aligns with your interests, your speech, and even your quirks. By being attentive and respectful, you not only validate her feelings, but also deepen the connection between you. Remember, it's the little things that often mean the most. Now that you know how to tell if she's attracted to you, what's next? Discover how to make a woman miss you, or learn the social skills women are addicted to in older men. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.